The market is almost stagnant, although the euro and the pound sterling are gaining in value. It's just an insignificant change. What's more, the expected macroeconomic data will hardly affect the situation. However, Europe has finally issued a positive report. The German trade balance showed a rise. Notably, Germany's economy is export-oriented. That's why data on the trade balance is a key to determining the future development of the economy. Thus, imports dropped by 6.8% on a yearly basis, while exports jumped by 1.7%. As a result, the trade balance advanced to 16,600 million euros. Nevertheless, the euro is quite stable and is not showing a considerable rise. It's highly possible that traders are preparing for the data publication in the United States. Today, all eyes will be turned to unemployment claims. According to the forecast, the number of claims will change unnoticeably. Traders should keep in mind the greenbacks of about conditions, which were the main driving force yesterday. That's why, by the end of the trading day, the US dollar may slightly lose value. It's likely to be a moderate and gradual decline. The oversold conditions of the euro-dollar pair have finally spurred a long-awaited recovery. As a result, the quote climbed above 1.0500, and it's quite possible that the euro will continue climbing if it consolidates above 1.0500. If the speculative downward movement revives and the price settles below 1.0470, the pair may reach a new local low. Meanwhile, the pound-dollar pair is recovering from the upper limit of the psychological area located at 1.2050. Against this backdrop, the volume of long positions surged, thus allowing the pound sterling to add about 100 pips. Although the British pound is now gaining in value, it recently tumbled by about 1,000 pips, and this fact confirms that the pound is extremely oversold, which may point to further growth in the number of long positions. The downward scenario will be considered if the price slides below 1.2050. In the event of this, the quote may fall deeper, even to the lower limit of the psychological level located at 1.1950. And that's all for now. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you in several hours. We will take a close look at the US trading session.